The Triball or Triflo, breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column. Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome one more day to the YouTube channel MusicBayside Oboe. I'm Nuria Cabezas, oboe teacher at the Conservatory of Music of Murcia in Spain, and today I've prepared a video that is part of a series in which we will see breathing instruments and exercises to improve our lung capacity and air column necessary to play any wind instrument. In today's video we are going to see the Triball or Triflo. Let's start. While we play and perform the specific breathing exercises, we must try to be so relaxed that the air enters and leaves our body naturally. When we inspire, our rib cage expands and the diaphragm lowers. On the contrary, when we exhale, the diaphragm raises and the rib cage returns to its natural position thanks to the work of the floating ribs and the diaphragmatic muscle. The diaphragm is located under the lungs and with a convex shape. When we breathe, it goes down, helping the floating ribs to expand. The rib cage covers from the clavicle to the floating ribs, and that is where the diaphragm is located. Here, the thumbs and the indexes represent the clavicle, and the rest of the fingers the floating ribs. When we breathe, and with the help of the diaphragm, the floating ribs and the rib cage expands. With these exercises, we will expand our lung capacity and learn to use it at 100% at all times in a controlled way and without tension. If we don't use the full percentage of our capacity, the rest will be completed with unnecessary tension and force, dificulting our breathing control when playing with our musical instrument. The Triball or Triflo is a device that has three interconnected balls, each of them located in an independent tube. This device is especially designed to practice maximum prolonged inhalation, which helps to develop our lung capacity thanks to its continued use. Next, we will do some practical exercises that we will carry out with the Triflo or Triball. Exercise number 1. Slow inhalation, raising the first ball with the Triball placed in an upright position. We'll do 15 series of this exercise. Exercise number 2. Quick inhalation, raising the first two balls with the Triball placed in an upright position. We'll do 15 series of this exercise. Exercise number 3. Slow exhalation with the triball placed in an inverted position and raising the ball from the first chamber. We'll do 15 series of this exercise. Exercise number 4. A slower exhalation with the triball placed in an inverted position and lifting the first 2 balls. We'll do 15 series of this exercise. In all exercises, both inhalation and exhalation, it's important that the third ball remains in place without moving. In order to increase our lung capacity and strengthen the air column, we can plan our study with the help of a metronome. We will perform full inhalation and exhalation with the triball and may even reach hyperventilation. Therefore, it's necessary to have a close support point in case at any time we feel dizzy. I recommend you to perform these exercises and those of the rest of the series of videos of breathing gadgets during the routines of breathing exercises before the study with the instrument, and we can check the changes that will be reflected in our domain of the air column, lung capacity, and the sound with your instrument. This was all for today. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in all my social networks, on the YouTube channel and on the website of MusicBayside.com, where you will find lessons, videos, blog and many more things for you to achieve your goal. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.
Welcome to the Music Bayside community. On the website of Music Bayside, MusicBayside.com, you will find information on how to get online lessons and personalized attention, and a free subscription to the newsletter. Through the email mail@musicbayside.com, you can get in touch. Share the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel Music Bayside, where you will find new videos every week. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to be tuned. Have you heard about the Patreon platform? If you like the content I'm creating in Music Bayside, and you want to support the project with a monthly donation started at $1, you can visit my Patreon page, patreonpage.com/MusicBayside Oboe, where you will find all the information about it. Thanks for being there, and I see you very soon in the next video.